Bhongir Fort is situated in the Yadadri-Bhuvnagiri district of Telangana state in India and located around 50 kilometers from the city of Hyderabad. The fort was built around 10th century and is built atop a giant monolithic hillock that is spread across 147 acres. The hillock lies like a giant sleeping elephant visible from far away. This project is set to provide multitude of experiences to tourists of all ages, providing an exhilarating experience encompassing the ascent and descent to the hilltop, exploration of the fort atop, experiential activities throughout and adventure activities at the foothills. A 30 meters wide road is being proposed to protect the monument from future developments along with provisions for parking facilities to accommodate maximum tourists. The tourists will be welcomed through an entrance plaza, which will consist of a ticket counter, administrative office, food plaza and public amenities. Existing steps will be restored and improved with provisions for parapet walls cum seating with elephant carvings. A series of lifts and glass bridges are also being proposed at various levels to improve accessibility to the fort and to also create some unique and adventurous experiences for the tourists. The existing abandoned prison area and water bodies will be restored and rejuvenated. The prison area will be converted into an interpretation center. Outdoor seating areas with central exhibits are proposed where visitors can spend some leisure time. To engage the visitors on their journey to the fort and to provide some resting areas, intermittent viewpoints and rock garden areas will be developed considering suitability of the site. These would consist of shaded seating areas with creepers and panoramic views from hillock which will enhance the experience of tourists. The fort area will be restored and outdoor restaurant with dining facility is also proposed around the fort. Its surroundings will be rejuvenated with landscape areas and seating facilities. Water body behind fort will also be rejuvenated with landscaping and seating areas. Gazebos are proposed to provide leisure space to tourists. Viewing galleries are also proposed to experience panoramic views from the hillock. A ropeway is being proposed to boost accessibility and attract tourists coming from NH 163 to fort. Around 2.9 acres of TSTDC land along NH 163 will be developed comprising of ropeway lower station, convention facility, parking areas and other ancillary facilities. The project will seamlessly blend the past and present and will introduce new experiences and activities to engage visitors while enhancing tourist amenities at the fort, ensuring an enriched overall visitor experience.